Next, I'll demonstrate the buttonhole wheel stitch. Let's look at two completed patterns. One circular, one flower-shaped. Let's start with circular pattern. Using 4 strands of color number 2. First come up at outer edge. Take down at small circle's edge. Don't stitch small circle yet. We'll add French knot later. Come up vertically above. Similar to buttonhole stitch above. Evolved from that basic stitch. Take down at outer edge. Come up vertically above. Take it down. Come up here. Following these steps, complete remaining pattern, creating linked buttonholes. For smooth flowing effect, always come up on outer circle edge. To create circular shape, final stitch down. Buttonhole wheel stitch is complete. Move needle to center. Wrap thread twice around needle. Take down at center point. Let's look at the result. Now for flower pattern beside. Looks more complex than circle, but uses same technique. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 1. First come up here. Take down at small circle edge, then come up above. Bring it up. Same steps as circle, but adjust for different shapes. Adjust lines. This part is lower. Take needle down here, creating high and low points. To form flower shape, final stitch down, add French knot in center. Let's look at the result.